Here's what happens when you hold in a sneeze. And yeah, it's not harmless. A sneeze can blast air out of your nose at over 100 miles per hour. Now imagine blocking that pressure. Instead of escaping, it shoots backward into your sinuses, ears, even your throat. That pressure can mess with your eardrums, sometimes even rupture them. In rare cases, it can cause tiny blood vessels in your eyes to burst. People have even injured their throat doing this, all from holding a sneeze. So next time you feel it coming, just let it out, because stopping it doesn't cancel the explosion. It just sends it inside your head.